timu y'abakozi ba kanso yambara bakwasira abakozi b'ekitongole kyasogeye kirukukora umurimo gwo kureta amaizi omu rurembo rwa Mbarara okurwa omu mugyera gwa Kagyero muri Isingiro. Abantu bashangira ofisi ya engineer wa City Hilary Mugisha okuganira nawe aha nshonge yaretera bayemereza imirimo yabo.
That you are going to bury the pipes 2.5 meters deep. When our consultant came, he said, no, don't bury them because our excavations are also going deep. To remember, you are an engineer, you know, when you're building a road, it's like a building. You go to the farm ground, then you start building. He said, no. Actually, the problem is they came after our meeting.
City engineer na City Kirakano bagira ngo aba National Water and Sewerage Corporation bakareta engendererwaho konka ba City tebagikiriza konka bo bagumizamo no bakora ibyabo.
Even the buildings you are thinking they are companies, they may be even illegal. And we know even the extent of the road. To use existing road reserves. 3, where there is a need for crossing the road, engage with the city engineer, we see how we can do it.
Twagera okuteganisibwamu konka nitekateka ngu egitera bensonga y'amani yo kushashamaza public kuko bamwe babakitwara bakugera ngo ahabwaki government nerwana na government abamwe bamba kitwara batyo
habwo kwa inaho kushanga ibizimbe byahana na aho nko muri kwija afite magati y'urubuto so nimanya ngo abamezi bakabene baraho mu road reserve kandi aho kitari ko basika bate mu ruguto konke kiturukwenda no kutunga mizi gakaza boma mbarasite katunga mizi tindu kwenda ngo mpurire bagira ngo mbarasite niyo yarimesa amezi okuza boma.
Mbine Julius oriyo mushuganisa w'ekitongole kya National Water bwa office ya Mbarara nagira ngo engendererwaho eyibari kugenderaho niyeyikirizibwe
ngo batakatina gene songache they feel calm songeze zakuzukonzora zakushitamana bambarara City again tubase kwikirizangana aha method ito akubasa kukwesa kubasa kurenga pipe says kandi kurenguza isyamizi umururembo rwa Mbarara
bwanyuma y'amizi umugera rwiza kongera kucendera na numbaro rw'abantu kweyongera mu rurembo Mbarara na n'imyanya gihingorize government okurabira mu kitongole cya National Water and Sewerage Corporation bakatongozaho kureta mizi kugiho umugera gwa Kagera okongera habwinje bw'amizi amakuru agagasha kwa Elachiza.